The point of this slide is really what we set out to do, and that was to build the foundation of the next-gen network for Verizon. So we wanted to have a network that, or to build a network that we could use across all of our locations, all of our business units. So not just wireless, not just telecom, not just our enterprise business, but across everything to leverage that, the economies of scale and the operational efficiencies that we can gain by doing that. And we wanted it to evolve in a modern way with the pace of software, and we leveraged the most modern technology to deliver the same quality network, the same reliability network, but in a more agile, cheaper, more efficient way. So this slide's kind of found the foundation for what we did. So if you start at the bottom, we said we want to embark here on this project, starting with commodity hardware and open source software. So the benefits here are obvious, right? The commodity hardware, we can drive some of the cost out of the network of the equipment that we purchase and install. The open source software, we also see an opportunity for cost there, but more importantly, we see an opportunity there to enable competition and innovation in a way that we never have in our network before. So these were key concepts to everything we wanted to do in embarking on this project. We started the final round of selection for the technology, and one of the things that was really key to us was we wanted to stick to the white box, the commodity hardware model, both the server and the switching layer. So when we looked around the landscape, we had a few choices in the switching capability, and did a bake-off, and Big Switch was there with just a spot-on integration with OpenStack, and really hit the mark where we wanted to be with that software-hardware disaggregation and the functionality with OpenStack. So Dell's been a great partner from a hardware perspective in both switching and compute. Red Hat's been a great partner at the OpenStack layer. We were kind of running on the bleeding edge with them the whole time, we were pushing OSP7 really hard. That's a year old now, but pushing OSP7 really hard. We needed some functionality in that. They worked really well with us to turn that around and pushed it to where we had a deployable model that we then rolled out domestically into our first 5 data centers.